Welcome to the 1999 Honda Civic Si. This is the EM1 model, powered by the B16 engine. This is pure 90s tuner culture. Let's go ahead and start it up. Go ahead and do a quick walk around. This is a beautiful car. It's in that electron blue color. One of my favorite Honda SIs of all time. It's a pleasure today that we're going to be able to drive it. And of course we got MTEC driving the EJ1, a Canadian market car. And we got the Topher driving the EF hatch. So a pleasure to be with them today. We're going to go ahead and drive together. So stay tuned. I'll go ahead and show you the interior real quick. Honda interiors hold up so well. I love the plastics in these. You know, it's got small back seats, but you can fit someone in there in a pinch. Let's go ahead and take it for a spin. I'm really excited. Go ahead and let the boys know we're good. Alright, now we're driving the 1999 Honda Civic Si. Let's go ahead and see how she feels. Ooh, feels really planted. Just over 2,600 pounds. This feels really lightweight and nimble, as it should. You can hear that VTEC kick in at 5,500 RPM. It really pulls. Wow. No wonder everyone loves these cars. Lovely crisp shifts from this 5-speed manual transmission. Has short throws, feels really satisfying. Incredible pedal feel from this car. You can feel everything through the steering wheel. Incredible ride. I love the sound of the VTEC in this. Heel toes really well. Let's go ahead and do a quick 0 to 60. Easy going. Powerhouse. I love the power delivery of this B16. That's just a smooth ride down these back roads. Pretty incredible. Listen to that VTEC changeover. So satisfying. There's just something about driving these old Hondas that you just can't find anymore. An incredible day to be driving some Honda classics with some great friends. It really can't get much better than this. Car is a little rocket. With a curb weight around 2,600 pounds, this thing is just feather-like, lightweight, super tossable. The 5-speed manual transmission paired with this chassis, it's just incredible. Let's go see if we can pass this. Heel toe, the third, take this corner nice and soft, very smooth, very good driving car. Incredibly smooth power delivery. Takes the corners like a champ. It takes the bumps so well on this back road. I'm super comfortable. This is a car you can drive every day but still have a blast. An amazing ride. Just takes the corner so well. Truly impressed by this car. The heel toe is just perfection. The double wishbone suspension is one of the reasons this EM1 is a tuner icon. It's lowered and stiffened. Super easy car to drive. For someone learning on a manual transmission, this car would be really easy to learn on. The clutch is super forgiving. The brake has a really nice soft feel, very responsive. And the pedals are perfectly placed for heel toe, which I personally love. This B16 engine is pumping out a healthy 160 horsepower, 111 pound-feet of torque. Paired with this lightweight chassis, this 5-speed manual transmission, I can see why this is an instant classic. This is an iconic car, the EM1. And I get to drive the one in Electron Blue Pearl, my favorite color in this car. Alright, well thanks for watching. And if you like this video, please like and subscribe, and we'll see you on the next one.